what should we do now? Hurry up! Wow, that's nice. Dressmaking is too hard, KaFam. Love, Nanay and Claire. Peekaboo, KaFam! See you! I'm over right here, KaFam. Hello, KaFam. This is Nanay. This is Claire. Welcome to my channel. But we're going to learn it with Claire. What we're going to do to make my strawberry toy is a dress strawberry. We're making lots of dress of strawberry. Akan dress na akong baby.
Yes. Oh, pero hindi kami marunong magtahi. Yun yung challenge.
Thanks, Gabriel. Pictures, KaFam. My old dress. Let's go play it. And let's go start on my cabinet in here. This is my cabinet. Because, let me show you. Where's the old dress? Oh, yes! Oh, baby, I can use this one for my strawberry. That's okay. You can cut it. That's okay.
It's okay?
Yes, of course. I got more right here. Oh, hello, KaFam. This is Strawberry, my baby. You see? It's Strawberry her dress. The cute, I like it. Oh, the baby. And I want to draw the side of the dress. Let's go start it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go! Yay! This is dress, and then some sister, and then some garter, and then some queuing machine.
Queuing machine, sewing machine.
Sewing machine.
And important note, don't use it alone.
Alone, because don't touch this queuing machine to the small girls, only the bigger, right?
Kailangan ng guidance from the parents when you're using this one kasi it can cause injury.
Injury! Baby strawberry.
Parang yung galing, lipat mo ko. And then, into the... Ay! Sus Maria. Uy, Diyos ko Lord.
Nana, you can do it. That's too nice. That's only small. You can do it. That's only small.
Like this.
Where? It's not easy, KaFam. Nana's
It's
trying.
not easy,
Yes, of course.
This is called dressmaking.
Oh yes, a dressmaking. This is dressmaking. It's too hard, KaFam.
Like this, Gali. Oh, like that.
Okay.
We're going
Nice, Nana.
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh.
Ay, yun na siya!
I can't believe it. I can't believe it. This one. Oh, that's a...
Hirap naman eh. Sus Maria! Oy! Paano natin gagawin yan? How can we do that? Okay, Claro, this is the pattern of the dress. We need to cut something like this first.
Yes.
We can just follow.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay if we will cut this one.
Yes, of course. Oh, that's pretty thin. Nana is the best job.
And we're going to cut it.
Ooh, oh my God.
Okay, cut mo niya ha. You see the line? Then,
And what should you do now?
oh my god!
You're excited?
No, I'm nervous.
Oh no. You did it?
Just ka.
Oh, there's a line!
Huh?
There's a line!
I think we're doing it right now.
Yes, of course. That's amazing, KaFam!
Amazing.
It's
Oh.
amazing!
Okay, Claire, ka naman di ma-press ang button. This one, no? Press this button.
Okay.
Okay, go. Ay! Oh, stop.
Nice, KaFam!
Ah, amazing.
Yay!
Oh my God. Down again, and then pin again, and then run again.
That's so amazing!
Yay.
Wow, that's the nice, Nanay.
Fun, right?
Yes, of strawberry, clothes, and then some skirting. Let's go stick together.
Again.
Yes. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I see the line.
Is that right?
Yes, of course. I don't know. I think so.
I think so too.
Taylor is going to do a great job. Right.
Yeah, because it's
Okay,
not
okay.
easy.
Look over here.
Lapa, we're going to close it first.
No, because Jubin's so happy now.
Easy.
No.
I'm easy like sun and morning. Yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
Hey, we are ready.
Yay!
Buti na lang at medyo stretchable yung aming tela.
Ako?
Kaya mabilis siyang ibihis kay strawberry.
That? Wow! Too sexy.
Hello guys! This is the new dress of our strawberry.
Yes,
there. Wow naman!
Hello, KaFam. Hello, guys. Because I like to wear my strawberry dress because it's so nice and sexy. Oh, so sexy. We're making more dress for strawberry, but I have more instructions right to tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow lang. Okay, strawberries like it. This is Nanay and Claire. Thank you to watch my video. Click the bell button to watch Nanay and Claire and baby strawberry. So cute. Oh, so nice dress. Goodbye, KaFam. Please subscribe. Click the bell button and then for watch Nanay and Claire. Bye, baby.